Cam Brar for Cam's Mortgage Minute on Thursday, October 25th. Was reading through BMO's latest housing confidence report and basically had some interesting numbers out of there. They had surveyed Canadians across the country and asked them if they were planning on purchasing a home in the next 5 years. And the national average came to 46%. That's right, 46% of households across the country said they plan on purchasing a home in the next 5 years. Regionally, in Calgary, that was about 62% of Canadians from Calgary said they were planning on doing it, 57% of the folks from Greater Toronto area, and 53% of Vancouverites were planning on purchasing in the next 5 years. Now, they were also asked, what if housing prices increased? Would that affect your buying decision? And 72% of them said yes, that would have an impact. They were fearful of stretching their budgets too far and they wanted to be mindful of their debt levels. So obviously folks have been listening to the Bank of Canada, they've been listening to the finance minister, somebody out there is paying attention. Now, they also, with the survey, said, well, what if prices increase 5%? How much would that impact your decision? Nationally, the number of 46%, which was the number of people who were planning on buying in the next 5 years, fell to 36%. Again, in the individual areas, in Ontario, that number fell to 39%. 42% of Albertans would still buy in spite of that, and 39% of British Columbians were still going to buy in spite of a 5% increase. Some of the other numbers that were interesting out of this report, and they were asked, is have the new mortgage rules impacted your buying decision? And basically, 1 in 5 respondents said yes, they are less likely to purchase a home because of the new changes. So that's a pretty dramatic number. Furthermore, 29% of those who plan on buying a home said they would be spending less because of the new mortgage rules. So again, if that was the desired intended impact that the minister wanted, it's obviously resonating with the folks out there. The other interesting numbers that came out of this report were that 18% of people plan on downsizing to a smaller home, and another 18% intended to purchase a larger home. 10% of folks plan to selling their home and move to a rental community or a retirement community or move in with family altogether and get out of the real estate market. And 21% of those surveyed plan on purchasing additional property for income, investment, or recreation. So there's a group of people out there who feel it's a good time to buy. So like any other market or any other time, there's people buying, they're selling, but we can see that definitely people's decisions have been impacted by the new mortgage rules. And it looks like folks are paying more attention to their budgets. They're looking at what they can afford, and the market is being slowed down, which was the desired effect of what everybody in government wanted. So far, it looks like all things are firing on all cylinders on this front. Anyways, when I see the next report or I see something else of interest like that, I will definitely share it with you. Until then, it's been Cam for Cam's Mortgage Minute. And again, if you need anything mortgage-wise, give us a call at the Auxilium team. Give me, Cam the Mortgage Man, a shout. Be happy to help you out. See you tomorrow.